Everyone, today we are going to discuss question number 804 unique Morse code words of Leetcode day 17 of August Leetcode challenge. So we are given in the question a string of words, a array of string which contains the words, and we are also given a Morse code. So if we convert this gin word into the corresponding Morse code and we store that Morse code somewhere, and similarly we do the same procedure for each of the word, and we find number of different Morse code. So we have to give the count of the number of different Morse code are present for the given words. So let's build a logic for this solution. So what we can do is we can calculate the Morse code for each of the word and then check and then store them in a set will contain only unique value, and then we will return the size of set. So let's try to do it. First of all, let's build a let's build a let's build an array which will contain the Morse code for each of the character. So we will copy the Morse code for each character, and then let's create a set. So it will be new as set, and then we will iterate through each of the string in words array. And calculate the Morse code for each of the words, each of the string in array. And we will store it in temp. So to calculate the Morse code for each character in the array, we would iterate through each character, and then concatenate it with Morse code calculated for previous character till previous character. Should be Morse code of, and we will get Morse code by so by dot character at j, and then we will store that temp in our set, and at last we will return the size of the set. Let's try to run our code for the given test cases. It's working fine. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it's working fine. Unaccepted. Thank you for watching the video.